on the compressor himself. The sensor connection was in a bad quality. The guys know it, but they must get from external. It's still a bit better to get it, and I tell him also which glue is good, what we like by Prognost, what they can also buy by him own, and give him also some tricks and tips who can do the mounting better and have then also fun with our system. When it's working pretty good and the signals come through inside our system, then it's also for the other company good to have good signals.
And in the end, when you came back to land or on
Yeah,
land,
this is the best when you are when the weather is really nice. Then you know the helicopter will come, and this is every time the best when you're sitting in the helicopter. Maybe a little bit sun comes in, and you know, yes, it go back on land, and the first steps are not so easy. So the shaking in the legs, they are still there. So this time I need only 1 day, but on the other time I need 3 days to get the shaking out of my legs. This is a really strange feeling because you know it's not shaking, it's not but you're feeling really drunken a little bit. This is really crazy what the waves make with your body, and also hard. It's really hard work. It's not so easy what you think. That's going offshore on a platform.
yeah.